Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you few famous first facts. So let's start. Number 1. When was the first bicycle invented? German inventor Karl von Drais is credited with developing the first bicycle. His machine known as the Swift Walker hit the road in 1817. This early bicycle had no pedals and its frame was a wooden beam. The device had two wooden wheels with iron rims and leather-covered tires. Number 2. First moving automobile assembly line. On December 1, 1913, Henry Ford installs the first moving assembly line for the mass production of an entire automobile. His innovation reduced the time it took to build a car from more than 12 hours to 1 hour and 33 minutes. The first car to be built on it was Henry Ford's Model T. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe.